Some improvements in Damien's powder coating booth here. So we've now got this shelf on the wall for him to stack all his XL4 boxes. And what used to be there was the fire extinguisher, which has now moved up here onto the cleaning wall. As I walked back into this building, I read this sign and then I followed it thinking, how easy is it for the delivery drivers? I realised that we've got another sign here, but it's actually covered by these cages most of the day. So I'm going to have to move that up a little bit so it makes it a bit more clear, because when you're at this angle when you're walking in, you can't actually see the delivery sign or the goods inside properly. Let's fix that. So I've raised it up a bit higher, so now as you're walking in, you can see it a bit more clearly. So it's not covered by these cages, it's just above them.
Okay, so today's improvement, we have just updated the instructions for the milk in the kitchen. So previously we were trucking it out every 3 days, but obviously this can last up to 7 days. So now we have changed the label, so if it's more than 7 days then we will get rid of it. But yeah, so just getting that changed. Thank you very much, Jake, for doing the label again.
So when I'm adding titles to Limbworks and I'm adding new products, it's a very manual process. I've got to type in the name of the product, then the colour, the material and the production journey. So that's all manually typed at the moment. I sometimes use copy and paste to make things a bit quicker, but I'd like a way of generating these titles purely based on the information I give it. So I've built a spreadsheet to help me out. So what I've got to do here is I can enter what the SKU is. I can give it a colour, so this is a drop down list of all the RAL colours, so let's go for aqua, my favourite colour. We'd enter the name of the item, I would enter the material. Now if you see over here, it started generating these already, so it's giving me the SKU I need, and it started generating the title. Now if we tick the boxes here, it starts adding things to the production journey. And it even can work out which powder coat booth it can go in, so it looks at the RAL colour we've given, it cross-references it here against the code, and it can tell me if it needs to go in powder coat booth 2 or powder coat booth 1. So all of the information based on colours is coming straight from that code and pulling it from here. So it saves me a lot of time, it's just a lot easier to do, so I'll be using this from now on to generate titles for Limbworks.
Hi, just generating some basic tips available for everyone when we come across the situation where we need a specific DXF file for our motor press brake. So in here I just made a whole instruction to make sure everything works smoothly. Thank you very much.
Jake has helped me today make this improvement on the phone. So where it says who it's calling, so it says there IO, that used to say indoor outdoors, and it would also say industrial tech store, the same in a long, let's see if I can find it, there, industrial tech store. So when they would scroll across the screen, I'd have to wait to see if it's going to be INDO for indoor outdoors or INDU for industrial tech store. So it's just changed it now, so it's IO for indoor outdoors and ITS for industrial tech store. Thank you very much, Jake, for your help.
Right before these hooks, what goes onto the pebble crate, they haven't got that instructions on the side or the back like this one. So I'm going to improve that. Well, I now improved it, now put instructions on all 3 of them. So now it's got instructions on the side and the back, so whenever they come down in the purple crate, I'll know it's for a big order. Thank you.
It's a great job everyone, thank you very much.